Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by tuning to standard E, a D, G, B, E, and place a capo on the first fret to match the original recording's pitch. Set a metronome to 88 BPM so you hold the relaxed pulse of the song while practicing. Choose a clean electric or acoustic with light reverb and moderate pickup volume to get that intimate, vocal-like guitar tone. This helps the uke-derived voicings sing in a guitar register and supports subtle dynamics and fingerwork. Learn the chord progression that carries the song. M7, CAD9, G, D sus4 across 4 measures. Play M7 with a light fingering like 0-2-2-0-3-0 so the 6th string rings open and the chord breathes. Use a relaxed thumb on the back of the neck. Form CAD9 as X32030 and let the open G and B strings ring to create the signature shimmer. Move to G and D sus4 smoothly, keeping common tones to minimize finger travel. Work the strumming pattern. Soft downstroke on beat 1, light chuck or muted up on the N of 2, and an accented down on beat 3, then a subtle up on the N of 4. Practice the groove in 4-bar sections with a metronome at 88 BPM. When clean, slow playback to 70% speed to lock transitions. Add tasteful dynamics, gentle swells, occasional hammer-ons, and sparse fingerpicking fills to recreate the song's intimate, emotive texture without overcrowding the vocal space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.